brainstorming document. Okay, you all have to create your own. Okay, so I'm going to walk through this again. Okay, first thing, you go to your brainstorm right there, and you're going to copy and paste this. Okay, copy and paste, Control C. You're going to click on modules. You're going to click on brainstorming. That is what we're doing so far. You're going to copy all of this and hit Control C. On a Mac, you're going to hit Command C. Open up another tab. Create a Google Doc. That's blank. And then you're going to hit Control V as in Victor, Control V, and paste it. Then you're going to type your name. Okay. Now, once you get done with that, you're going to type your name in under I am. And you're going to brainstorm what type of video you're going to use. So I'm going to make that blue. I would ask if you would make that font a different color, and I will say I am going to use video of my wife for the project. Okay, so now I have answered number 1. Okay, so number 2, I'm going to still make it blue. You need to add a few pictures. Well, what type of pictures am I going to add? I am going to add a picture of my son and daughter, because remember, it's all about me. Okay. Then I'm going to continue the process and go on, and you don't want to copy what I'm doing. You need to do your own thing. Okay. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to go through this process. Okay. And I'm going to talk to everyone and see who all's gotten it done. What I'm going to do is you all need to work on that. You all need to get that set up first, because this has been due for a while. All right. So I'm going to put grades in, but we can get this done very quickly. I mean, you can get this done like in the next 10 minutes. So go ahead and go through the process. Now, here's the next part. Say you're done with it. All right. And I've done all my stuff, right? Now I'm going to go back to the assignment and click on brainstorming doc. I'm going to submit assignment. I'm going to choose a file. And remember, it's a file upload. So you're going to upload that Google Doc. You might have to go to Google Drive right here. If you click on Google Drive, it's already in your Google Drive. Okay. So what I mean by that is there's a couple ways you can do it. You can download this file as a PDF, or you can just leave it in your Google Drive and then choose the Google Drive there and upload it. Again, guys, if you all need help, then I will help you. Okay. All right. So number 5, great question. All right. So you have to come up with a tech tip. Okay. Now, we had a good question, tech tip. Now, these are things that you need to show. So let me show you the process on how to do a tech tip. You got to have in your mind what you want to do, right? So what you might have to do is you might have to put some research in. But guys, you all are in 8th grade. Some of y'all have had my class 3 times. So what are some tech tips that I've taught you? Keyboard shortcuts with a Chromebook, Control V, Control C, Control A. But you want to do like something that's really, really good, you know? So research it. What are some tech tips that you all use? What are some things that you all use? Okay, so you could find it in the drive. All right, so Aubrey, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop share because I'm going to work with you on that. All right. So share your screen with me if you would. And that way, when I record since I'm recording it, it'll go on to my recording and I can kind of show from a student perspective. So I'll let you go ahead and share your screen if you would. All right. So here's what I would do. Now, first of all, you go to Google Drive, yes, and see what that says. So right now we're working on submitting our brainstorming Google Doc, going with the Google Drive. Now, before you do anything, under search, what was the name of the Google Doc? Was it just your first and last name? Type that in. Okay, and this is a way that you can find it very easily. Be mindful about what you name your files, and you can find them right there. Okay. Now make sure it's what you want. So is that, and it'll have the date. So can you scroll down? Scroll down, keep going. You're going to have a bunch. You know, and this is where you all might need to give it a name that's specific to today. That way it'll pop out. See, it's got the dates on it, and you will be able to find it. It's just going to take some time. So what you might do is go back. So like pause for a minute. Pause for a minute. Aubrey, go up to your Google Doc real quick. And go ahead and instead of put beside your last name, type in 127. Just type these numbers in 12721, 12721, not 207, 27. 127, 127. You got to get rid of those zeros. 27, 21. Now, so, all right, so go back to go and hit enter. There you go. 127, 21. Now, go hit the back, like type that in and see if it'll pop up. 127. There it is. See? So you've definitively given it a special name. Okay. Hold on one second, guys. This is my doctor real quick. Give me 1 second. Hello. All right. So, now, so we've got that. So you all understand.